Andrei. Hello, my name is Andrei, and I want to represent our software for server of parcel lockers. Here I go first to the administrator personal cabinet, and then I will go to the internet shop personal cabinet and show the specific. First, then we go to the personal cabinet of the administrator of the system for parcel locker system administrator. Uh, all information right now on Russian, but we can translate to your language. It's not a problem for us. Yes. Then here you see the all parcel lockers, the addresses of parcel lockers. You can see on the map this parcel locker, and here you can edit information and then block this parcel locker. Also, we have the filter the parcel lockers by the address or by the number, etc. We can add filter, more information about the filter. Then we can add new parcel locker, the serial number, model, address, information, where is located this parcel locker, to show on the map the time when the parcel locker will work, and the region, so Moscow, St. Petersburg, etc. And the next step is the all parcels. We see the all parcels of all internet shop here, and also we have the filter here, and we filter by the city, by the receiver, by the internet shop, by the number of the order, by the date, by the identification number, by the number of the parcel locker. So we can see the specific parcel on the specific parcel locker, for example. And the next is the clients. Clients means the internet shop. We can add internet shops here, and each internet shop had a personal cabinet, and each internet shop have the um, users. For example, this internet shop have the I'll show the users. So he's not created the users yet in this internet shop, but here the internet shop is the Walmart. I will show you later. In this internet shop, we already have the one user. If I remember, yes, the one user. So we can edit information, delete or block this user. So then this user can't enter to this personal community if we will block. And also we can add the user for this internet shop for Walmart. So we can have the more than one user of that internet shop. The next is the monitoring. The monitoring of the payments, of the cash withdrawal, of the technical monitoring, and the reports. The payments, we can see the all payments from all parcel lockers, and because we don't have a parcel locker change system. For example, if the parcel cost 800, but a client put inside the parcel locker 1000 USD, for example, and he need to have the change because he need to have 200 USD back. But if we don't have change system, we can't give to the buyer 200 USD. We can in Russia we have this solution by the sending this money to their mobile phone number, so we can sign the contract with your in your region. There is an operator. We can which can take payments of their uh, and send money to their mobile phones. We just need to have the API for this, and our engineers can make this thing also. So it means if I'll tell one more time, if buyer of the internet shop need pay to the parcel, for example, uh, 8 USD, but he have only uh, paper money on 10 USD or on 20 USD. So if he load the 20 USD but need to pay only 8, then we need to give the change about 12 USD to the back to the client. But if we don't have the change back system chart, then because the price for the change back system is pretty big, uh, and we can have a solution to uh, pay this money to mobile phone number. So we can make this thing by our engineers if you give us the API. Then the next one is the cash withdrawal. Uh, we can see here the amount which was the withdrawal from the particular um, parcel locker, an amount of the money each nomination. For example, one banknote on 1 USD, two banknotes on 20 USD, etc. So we will have all information here about the money which was withdrawn from the parcel locker and date, etc. Also we have the filter here, and then we have the technical monitoring. Technical monitoring here they show when was the last connection with the parcel locker, and then we see here the banknote receptor status, printer status, version of the software on the parcel locker, aim about the doors, how many doors are available right now on the parcel locker, how many doors are reserved on the parcel locker, how many doors are already equipped in the parcel locker, how many doors are blocked in the parcel locker. Maybe it's a block because the door is broken or something else. How many we have here, they show the 3 dimensions of the doors and the address here. So also we have the filter, and then we have the reports, and the reports will show the information about the which parcels was received, which parcel was delayed, SMS notification reports, and then here we can add the users to administration personal cabinet. So we can add more users to this personal cabinet. So if we have the parcels, we have more than one operator. And here is also the printers. Right now we have the install here the one sticker printer, but also we can print their information with barcode on regular printer. Then right now I will show you the personal cabinet of their internet shop called Walmart. Login, and here we see the monitoring, administration, my organization, their company name, description, personal number, mobile phone number, email address, code of the internet shops and price for deliver. Here the information about their specific user of this internet shop. Because as I told you before, we can have more than one user of internet shop, more than one personal cabinet of the internet shop. My parcels here you can see, uh, and also we have the filter here. Still default have can filter a lot of information, and here we can new option here to add the parcel. If you want to send the parcel, we need to have their on we need to have their deposit, because we are going to have the prepayment system or the parcel locker software. For example, if internet shop want to send the parcel, then first of all he need to uh, uh, put money on his account. But right now we don't have this option. Our engineers are developing, and they finish about 2 weeks, I think. Here will be their reports options, and in the reports we can have their fill. We can create their um, bill for their to uh, to put money on this account. We can create a bill and pay bill, and then our account will have money. After that we can send the parcels, uh, but also we can make their without prepayment system. Right now is make we have solution without prepayment system, uh, and after, for example, oh, 1 month on the February I created 2 parcels, and for these 2 parcels at the end of the February I will have the reports that I have sent in February 2 parcels, and for these 2 parcels I need to pay uh, there are two I need to pay to the parcel locker company 251 and 301 uh, rubles, and also the price for the um, parcel. If user pay for the parcel not online but on the parcel locker, for we can charge there from the internet shop. Wait a second, I will um, uh, uh, translate how to say we can percent. For example, if the parcel price is 500 rubles, then we can charge 1% or 1 to 0.5% from this price of the parcel, because we give the opportunity to the internet shop to pay or the parcels directly for the parcel locker. In Russia we charge uh, uh, from internet shop or 1.5% for if their buyers pay their parcels not online but directly from the parcel locker. For on the end of the month we pay uh, internet shop pay to the parcel locker company this payment, and also uh, 1.5% from this payment and from this payment, and we have the reports which and right now we are developing reports for this thing, and we will have the option here about the reports in the end of the month, which can we download it directly automatically will be generated, and I will show you how to create new parcel. And here you edit a number of the order, uh, from which city this parcel will be dispatched, and which city this parcel need to be delivered, for example, from Moscow to St. Petersburg. And here you will see the in St. Petersburg addresses of their parcel lockers. We have three addresses of parcel lockers in St. Petersburg. We choose the Neutral Kasky Prospect address, and here you will see the three types of dimensions of the doors. Each dimension of the door have their specific price: 150, 200, and 300 rubles. And these amount pay the internet shop um, to their parcel locker company. So, I want to tell you that this price pay only the internet shop to uh, parcel locker company. The buyer of internet shop not pay this amount, because the internet shop can set another amount to the user, or the internet shop can add this price for deliver to the price for the product. And also, if this product not pay online, and if the buyer won't pay this amount directly for the parcel locker, then we need add here their price for the parcel. And if this parcel already pay online, then we just put here, and means that this parcel already paid online, not paid, no need pay uh, uh, from the parcel locker. Here we edit a mobile phone number of the buyer, and the surname and name of the of the client of the internet shop buyer. And here we put notes here, and then we create uh, uh, push create. So this price for the deliver from Moscow to St. Petersburg, and this address of the parcel locker. Also, I forgot to show you we have 10 tariff zones of the, so each tariff zone have specific price. For from Moscow to St. Petersburg is one price. From one tariff zone from Moscow to Moscow, second tariff zone, for example, and each tariff zone has a specific price. I will show you later. Um, I forgot to input the number of the order. So here you see that we created just now new parcel, which need to be dispatched to the internet shop. Also, we have the three options of their deliver this parcel to the parcel locker. First is the deliver this parcel deliver the internet shop directly to the parcel locker. So but in this version of the software we don't have this option to print the barcode. So but we can make this software to, if internet shop want deliver parcel directly to the parcel locker, then we just print the uh, barcode. But if we print the if we if we uh, push print, uh, we don't see here the barcode. We just see here the information about their parcel, which need to be sticked to their parcel and give the courier. Or we can deliver this parcel to the parcel locker warehouse, and and so we summarize. We have the three types of deliver to directly to the parcel locker, deliver to warehouse of parcel locker company, and give the parcel to the courier. So right now we have the solution. Now when internet shop gives the parcel to the courier, so before internet shop give the parcel to the courier, he just need to print information of their parcel and stick on the print on the parcel. And also we have the option to edit information or delete and remove. And now I will show you that that parcel will be added on, that this parcel can see the operator of the system. So we go to the administration personal cabinet and the parcels, and here we see there a new parcel was created just now by Walmart, and we can here we have the options here to register this parcel. And to continue register, we choose the door and date, estimate date, or when this parcel will be loaded to the parcel locker. So we choose the door, this small door, number 6. Estimate date of the load, we can load tomorrow, and estimate date of withdrawal. So we usually give the 3 days to take this parcel. The price which user need to pay to receive this this price is the buyer need to pay to receive the parcel. So is the parcel already pay online, so we don't have the 0 here. And here we already register this parcel. We can edit information or delete. Also we need to have the 2 options of their printer. We can print by the sticker printer and print on the regular printer. On the regular printer, and here we see the QR code. The same information is here by the QR code, and also barcode. Barcode is need to be scanned on the parcel locker and will open. So it means operator of the parcel locker companies printed it and stick on the parcel. Then give the courier. Courier go to the parcel locker by this address, and then log in to the menu of the courier, and then choose the load the parcels. Then he needs just the scan barcode, and door will open automatically because the operator of the system already choose the door number, and so the courier don't need type any information, because we make it because courier can have their mistakes, and to avoid mistakes it need to be done by the person, or by the operator. If operator, because if courier will input, if couriers will input this information, we can have more mistakes. But if all this information input only operator, then we can reduce mistakes. Here I will show you also the tariff zones prices. Here's tariffs, edit information about tariffs, and you have here the 10 tariff zones and their price for specific tariffs. Sorry. The price about tariff zones. About the price for the doors. The small doors, medium, big doors. The price for each door. Also here you see the tariff zone. Tariff zone number 1, the price for tariff zone number 1. You can change the price. Tariff zone number 2, the price for tariff zone number 2. You can change the price. tariff zone number 3, etc. The 10 tariff zones. Also here you see the I will show you the tariff zones. Tariff zone number 1 and from the Kazan to Moscow. Tariff zone number 4 from St. Petersburg to St. Petersburg. And we can also create a new tariff zone from Moscow to, so we can add tariffs to add the cities. So we can understand from Moscow to St. Petersburg tariff number 1, and tariff number 1 price we can see here. uh, Tariff number 1 we can change the price, and also we can change the price for the door. Also all information can be um, changed by your request. So you just need to explain us what information needs to be um, uh, changed, or add some information. We can do it. Our engineers have our engineers teams are good, and we adapt our software to your needs. So these main things which I want to describe you. So if you have questions, just please contact me and I will explain or answer you. Thank you for your time.